Looking for quality repairs after a collision? Check out the Allstate Good Hands Repair Network. What is it? It's a countrywide network of thousands of auto body and collision repair shops selected by Allstate for their high-quality work and customer service. And as an Allstate Claims customer, you get a lifetime guarantee on the repairs performed by these shops for as long as the vehicle is yours. How does it work? If you have a claim, visit My Claim online or in the app to select a convenient repair shop and make an appointment. From there, we'll work directly with your chosen shop to expedite your repair process. So on the day of your appointment, all you do is drop off your car. And if you choose, we'll pre-arrange a rental for you. Then, opt into real-time progress updates on your car's repair. Plus, payments are easy for covered claims. If a deductible is applicable, you pay it to the shop, and Allstate handles the rest with them directly, saving you time and stress. If you don't have a claim, you can still use the Good Hands Repair Network tool on Allstate.com to find a vetted shop near you. And that's it. Visit Allstate.com/repair network to learn more. You're in good hands with Allstate.